Last night, snowfall occurred in the northern region of the country, marking the beginning of winter. As a result, cities in the northern region, including Erzurum, have been hit by a cold wave, causing temperatures to drop below 3 degrees Celsius. Kars and Erzurum are among the coldest cities in the northern region of the country, where it snows almost year-round. The snowstorm has not only affected these two cities but also several other cities in Turkey, including Karabük, Bolu, Kastamonu, Düzce, Rize, and Giresun, disrupting daily life. The ongoing cold wave and snowstorm in this region have made travel difficult, and various transport services have been suspended.